All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. Happy Sunday wherever you are around the world. Bringing you guys this update quite early. Just decided to take another 2 days off over the weekend. Just wanted to kind of refresh myself, and you need a mental break here and there. But we're back on schedule. Appreciate your guys' support. Last day of the month of March. Arguably the best month in the crypto space. So let's talk about what's happening with Pepe though. What is next for Pepe, and what are some next price targets we could be aiming for. So if you guys are enjoying these updates, you guys know what to do. But now let's get right into it. So if we're looking at Pepe on the daily time frame, it's up 2.7% on the daily time frame. But if we're looking at the overall markets, you're seeing there are some coins still in red. But if you're looking at the price of Pepe right now, it's currently sitting at 88.37, still 5 zeros in front of the price, up 2.4% in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative. Look at the market cap. $3.7 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is also picking up, currently sitting above $1 billion. And that is obviously worthwhile noting. You are seeing a little bit of a shift occurring in Pepe, and this is something we were discussing in our previous update. But before we go into it any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So I'm going to start off with the holder count. Holder count is approaching 200,000 holders, and this is just people that are actually holding it in Ethereum wallets. This does not include people that are holding their coins on centralized exchanges. As we know, Pepe is listed on pretty much all the big centralized exchanges, so that does not go into account. This number of holders has been growing and growing and growing pretty much since the month of March has started. So that is obviously really good to see. But today I want you guys to really understand the power of Pepe in the immediate short term. We talk about Pepe price this, price that. When you really understand the overall interest, the overall momentum it has, you really start to realize, hold on, this is actually worthwhile noting, because we talk about the price in this, but look at the engagement. You're looking at insane amounts of engagement. All they did was post this GIF yesterday, which was obviously on March 30th, and you guys can see how many people saw it. 144,000, and you can see this for yourself as well. Just on March 28th, 388,000 people on Twitter have seen this. And what is this showing us? This is showing us the engagement that Pepe has, the momentum it has, and this momentum that it has right now is at its all-time high. I've never seen this much views coming on any of their tweets. So this is really good to see, and kind of shows us and gives us a confirmation that people are interested. But now let's continue. If you're taking a look at the overall meme coin market cap combined, you're looking at $71.3 billion, up 2.2%. You are seeing some of the low caps absolutely exploding. But if you're looking at the big boys right now, you're looking at Dogecoin up 3.9%. You're looking at Dogwif Hat, which is the third largest meme coin by market cap, almost approaching $5 billion. That is absolutely insane to think. Since pretty much the last bear market, Dogwif Hat is the first meme coin that is almost approaching a $5 billion market cap. So that is really interesting. But if you're looking at Pepe, guys, Pepe is also looking really good in terms of its market valuation. Over the past few days, I kind of did indicate that we were seeing quite a bit of volatility, and still as far as volatility is concerned, that still has not changed as far as Bitcoin is concerned. But despite that fact, you're seeing Pepe holding above that $3 billion market valuation. That spoke to me. So obviously that is really nice to see. But let's take a step further and look at the price. So if you're looking at the dominance index, dominance index has been ranging around this 53.5% for quite some time now, and obviously we have noticed that. So not much has changed here. But if you're looking at BTC, Bitcoin, today is the last day of the month. Even if Bitcoin is able to close around here, that is honestly a good thing. But now what I was starting to realize, there's a lot of people that are comparing Bitcoin price to the previous halving, after what happened with the pandemic, but that is due to pandemic. We are not in a pandemic right now. So could we see a 60% drop? I don't think so. I just don't personally think we will see a drop. Obviously, I've been quite clear that, approaching the halving, we will see a retracement. But, now that we have seen this massive cool off already out of the way, what I'm personally projecting is that the first week or two are going to be good for Bitcoin. Again, that's just my own personal opinion. It's going to be really, really important to see how Bitcoin reacts as we approach April 1st. And of course, that is a Monday. As we know, we're on a weekend. On the weekends, we do have CME futures close. So it's going to be really important to see how BTC reacts. So that is going to be really interesting to see. But that's how I'm currently projecting things to look like. But if you're looking at Pepe right now, guys, Pepe has done exactly what we spoke about yesterday. I'm sorry, not yesterday, in our last update, which was get past above this key resistance level, and then off we go above that key level at the 8502 zone. And that's exactly what Pepe was able to do, and that is obviously really nice to see. If you picked up some Pepe just yesterday itself, honestly, you did see Pepe go up 14.28%. So I'm definitely noticing a shift in momentum, because let's face it, the last time the price was actually at this 91.67 zone was back on March 16th. So we're talking about a week back. And obviously this is worthwhile noting, and now the price is a little bit cooling off, and the previous level of retest that we were doing, which were getting rejected, is playing as a level of support right now for Pepe. But it would be insanely bullish, and again, obviously Bitcoin needs to be considered. But if Pepe is able to close its daily candle for the monthly daily candle above this level, especially above this key resistance, I'm projecting that Pepe could have some legs in itself early April to actually start heading towards all-time highs, which again is only a move of about 22.89%. So it's not a significant move for Pepe to hit an all-time high. Obviously, we do have a significant amount of resistance at the same time coming up in when Pepe does make its way up. The 93.32 zone is quite a big resistance, and if that is able to pop out, obviously that would be the confirmation that we're heading towards an all-time high. But so far so good. As of now, we're seeing a battle. I discussed this before. We're seeing Ethereum coins and Solana coins, battling it out to see which, project in terms of market valuation is going to reach that $10 billion market cap first. And as of now, we can clearly see that, Solana meme coin DogWiffHat is leading the race at $4.7 billion market cap, which is insane. Why does this project have so much hype? I personally think, again, this is my own personal projection. I think because, obviously, we always talk about certain meme coins hitting $1 this, $1 that. This one was able to do because, of course, its supply, overall supply was low. It was able to reach, that dollar mark quite fast, and this attracts people, believe it or not. This attracts people rather than, being in cents. People like, projects that are in like the dollar zone. Obviously, I think that could also be something that's fueling it. And of course, Solana on the other hand, and just the meme itself definitely is gaining a lot of traction right now. But are all these meme coins going to be here to stay in the next 12 months? As you guys know, I've already projected that. I personally think no, and I'm very confident no that these projects are obviously in the bull market itself. As you guys know, I'm giving myself a time frame of about 8 to 9 months left until you make gains within the markets, and I'm personally exiting. I'll be on the sidelines. Everyone has their own strategy at the end of the day, but that's how I am taking a look at this market. But besides this bull market, these meme coins are going to go down quite a bit. Remember, no utility. It's all based off of hype factor, and obviously it's a category that a lot of people enjoy. There will be a few that will be here to stay. We will see, and we will evaluate that at the end of the year when the bull market, in my opinion, is going to be almost at the top. But as of now, it's going to be an exciting time in my opinion. But with that being said, we'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.